Okay, welcome MegaWhale team to another video. First and foremost, Merry Christmas to all. Hope everyone had a great holidays with the family and spent a lot of quality time away from the charts, doing things they enjoy and obviously spending time with their loved ones. So moving on from that, let's get straight into the video. Today we're just going to be doing a little update on Bitcoin. It's going to be a very short video today. We're just going to be basically keeping you guys in check and kind of going off the previous analysis we did with rules of crypto and even our 2 or 3 Bitcoin videos before that, talking about basically, are we still in track with our projections, and was this a little move that we had in the last few days a significant move, and should we be changing our predictions basically? So let's take a look at our chart over here. We're going to add in some lines real quickly. We're going to add in our support and resistance lines that we added in our trend line. Alright, so as you can see, real quickly, this is our long-term support line. We held ever since that initial bottom on the 21st of July. We found support and resistance on it in September and finally broke below it at the start of December. Ever since then, we've been in a downtrend. This is our downtrend resistance line. This has been our trend line ever since the 10th of November into a recent break on the 22nd of December. So I guess a question that everyone is asking right now is, was this recent break a significant move, and should we be bullish about it? And I know a lot of people on crypto Twitter and a lot of people on YouTube in general are talking about, the bull market being back on and everyone's FOMOing into altcoins, and I think now is definitely not the time to be bullish. I think now is the time to be conservative, and I've said it many times. I've been talking about it for weeks. Until we make a significant move upwards, I'm not talking significant in 20%, I'm talking significant in price positioning, meaning that the candles are closing above previous long-term resistance lines, then we will be bullish again. But recent days has proven that is not the case. We've got our 2 long-term supports, which are, or should I say, we've got our long-term support, which is 42,000, and we do have that support range. It's between 42,000 and 43,000. We'll whack that in. That is a very strong demand zone. All right, this is our last strong demand zone before we drop down to 30K. All right, so my projected bottom was this range here. We did see we actually bottomed out in here and bounced. All right, so we had that liquidity wick all the way down 42,000, confirming that 42,000, 43,000 is a very strong demand zone. A lot of buy orders down there, a very strong base of support. We recently broke up out of this downtrend and we had a nice little support resistance flip and then a large green candle upwards, and we can see that we haven't actually closed a single daily candle above 51,000 resistance. All right, we had a liquidity wick push up to 52,000. As you can see, instantly sold up, went back down below 51,000. This is now our resistance zone. All right, so let's just draw it in as little boxes so we can see. This is now a resistance zone. All right, and this is now our support zone down here. These are our ranges right now. This is where we're ranging between. As long as we're between these prices right now, I'm not going to be bullish or bearish. At the moment, due to a recent price action and looking at these candles, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles now close below 51K. It's only a matter of time, I assume, before we make it. Either we'd have to make a very strong move upwards, breaking above 52,000, or we're going to naturally find our way heading back down towards 43K. As I've been saying before, 43,000 is the target unless we break and close above 54,000. 53,000, 54,000, if we can get into that range there and close in there, I will be bullish again. Until then, I am waiting, I'm conservative. I'm taking small scalp trades. We did CHR, we did SKL. CHR did 44% profit, SKL did 21% profit, I believe. So great trades, but going heavy into altcoin now or being overly exposed to the market is still not a great idea. And this move here, I'm not convinced. Will it go up? Will it go down? It doesn't really matter right now. What matters right now is how you're responding to the current market conditions. and how you're responding to the recent price action. All right, that's what matters. Who cares where it goes? It doesn't matter where it goes. If you're making the wrong decisions, you're never going to benefit from any direction. So take the time to consider, what are you doing right now? How can you adjust what you're doing? And I guess always remember that sometimes not doing anything is doing everything. Not doing anything is sometimes the best decision you can do in a market, especially in periods of increased volatility or increased uncertainty. You know, trading into those periods like that is super high risk, and most of the time people either get shaken out or they lose money. Just as always, remember to like, subscribe, comment below, follow us on Twitter, and join our Telegram channel. Links are in the description. I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy.